sir. How are you, sir?
Doing all right.
So you are at this. How do you find the HVAC industry outlook for
So,
2024?
what you can see is that it is growing and it is expanding. HVAC industry has a yearly growth rate of almost 5 to 6% on an average, and it is going to keep expanding on the back of the heating that is taking place, the global warming that is taking place. So we need to be careful. We need to do it in a very, very judicious way, where we don't cross the energy figures to the extent that we once again come back to load sheddings and things like that. New technologies like evaporative cooling, Internet of Things, and other things are coming out. And it's very important that we all take advantage of these things and keep our energy numbers down.
How do you see Eurovent certified into the scheme of things?
Okay, so Eurovent basically is certifying equipment as we know, and it ensures that whatever a manufacturer is claiming in terms of capacity as well as energy efficiency is delivered to the end customer. It's a very intricate process. It involves the design reviews. It also involves labs which are testing. It involves generating data out of that. It involves analyzing data out of that, analyzing that data. And there is something which we call data mining. Reasonable cost equipment also coming out, which may not be as accurate as the high cost equipment, but it sort of serves the purpose for the time being. And then you can use one of those high cost equipment to bring it next to the reasonable cost equipment, and you can calibrate it that way. Now, this is not an industrial process where you need your calibration to 1% or 2%, but all said and done, I'm to say human intelligence is what is required today. Look at the way that the payment industry has gone. If a shopkeeper, any shopkeeper takes UPI and other kinds of payment, and most of us carry smartphones. And it is very simple now with the smartphone and some devices and some places where you can get to know the outdoor air quality very easily. I think most people are doing that. And similarly, things can be done for indoor air quality. That means it's not a rocket science equipment. It is not the costliest of equipment. It gives you the figure within plus minus 10% even, but at least the person has awareness. And once a person gets latched on to a thing like this, then he continues to do that. I'm to say, those of you who can afford today, the edge controllers are coming onto air cleaners. You will see them lying in malls. They're not just cleaning the air, but they're telling the facility manager what the air quality is at that particular place. So, we need to do it intelligently.
What is the aim of Eurovent?
By certifying equipment and bring their level up. Because MSME is the mainstay of the Indian industry. And how do we raise the standard of MSME if we don't pass on the good practices and work them up to get certified, not today, not tomorrow, but at least day after tomorrow.
So, what future do you see for the industry as a whole?
The industry has a very bright future. In fact, I would like youngsters to look at this industry I would like engineers who are graduating from colleges to see if they want to make a career in HVAC. And there are some special courses that they need to take. These courses are being offered now by ISHRE, and I think even Eurovent will come into it, holding hands with others to teach them and train them, because not only in India, once Europe goes for renovation, the demand for these engineers is going to go up multi-folds. You are aware that USA is going into what is called heat pumps. So previously they were into gas, and now they are saying that they want to use electricity and heat pumps, and they have a requirement for 5 billion heat pumps to be installed. You know, people coming into the industry, I can't guarantee, but there is a good chance that it will be the requirement will grow as many times as it has grown with the IT industry. That's the potential.
Thank you very much for sharing the great news. Very nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you.